ganito katagal mag-charge from 10% to 100% from a wall charger na almost 7 kilowatts. Siya, makita nyo meron pang remaining na 7 hours and 14 minutes from full charge to from 10% to 100%. Yan, so kailangan ka kasing i-full charge to dahil panahon na para mag battery calibration. Nasa manual kasi yan na every 6 months kailangan i-calibrate. Kailangan i-drain mo siya to 10% or less and then i-charge mo ng up to 100. Yan. So right now i-charge ko na siya and next 6 months, after 6 months ulit. Yun lang. So, okay. Salamat mga ka-EV.